Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put a line on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to add a line on Microsoft Word. Now the first method is function method and the second method is keyboard shortcut method. Now for the first method you have to select your all the text, then click on home tab, and on the font option you can find underline option, then just click here. And that's it. You can see line has been added successfully. Now for the second method, just select your all the text again. Then you have to press Ctrl plus U. And that's it. You can see line has been added successfully. If you want to change your line style, just select your all the text. Then click on this arrow icon. And from here you can change your line style and you can add any line style as you want. And it's changed successfully. And that is how you can put line on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.